In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Hill Climb Racing 2 mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including all cars unlocked, unlimited gems, unlimited tokens, unlimited money, and much more. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu includes multiple options that completely enhance your gameplay experience. You can unlock every vehicle instantly, use unlimited resources, and enjoy Hill Climb Racing 2 without restrictions on both iPhone and Android. Before we get started, make sure your Hill Climb Racing 2 app is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Hill Climb Racing 2, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to proceed. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. In that comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to get the Hill Climb Racing 2++. Just follow the instructions provided there to activate the mod menu on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.